Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved use Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline long wheelbase panel van. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So this lovely T28 long wheelbase Highline comes in a lovely metallic paint colour, Mojave Beige. This colour is a little bit of an uncommon colour, but is really stylish, and across the front of the vehicle it does feature front fog lamps with a cornering function, as well as front parking sensors built into that body coloured bumper. On either side, on both of the front wings, is some lovely transporter badging, and down below the vehicle sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a silver colour. The vehicle also benefits from having electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors. Along with this, there is also a single sliding door located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind which is a fully ply-lined load area, along with multiple lashing points in the floor. The vehicle does also come with a full steel black bulkhead, providing an insulating layer for noise and temperature. This van is fitted with a 2.0 TDI diesel engine and comes equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission. Towards the rear of the vehicle it does come with a tailgate, behind which we can take another look at that ply-lined load area. On the outer side of the tailgate itself, it comes with some LED rear light clusters, and down below, dotted in the rear body coloured bumper, is some rear parking sensors which display a coloured Park Pilot display system within the cab. Behind the driver's door, the driver is greeted with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, along with a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen infotainment system. Up front there is a 2-seater passenger bench, and the driver's seat is finished in the lovely bricks woven fabric. So ladies and gentlemen, that will finish the 360 walk around of this approved use Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline long wheelbase. If you have any further questions, then the number to call is 0121 514 0632. If you like what you've seen, then feel free to leave a like on this video and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest stock. Stick around, as later on the video we're going to explore the interior in some much greater detail. In the cab, the controls for the electric windows as well as the electric wing mirrors are located on the driver's door card. The multifunction leather finished steering wheel allows the driver to have a more hands-on driver experience. The driver can cycle through a range of different menus. Here we are seen selecting through a vast arrangement of different radio stations, as well as increasing and decreasing the volume. The driver also has access to a few different assist settings. This vehicle does come with adaptive cruise control among a few of them, where the driver can select their desired speed with the plus and minus button, as well as the distance between the vehicle in front with the middle button on the left hand side. This van does come with App Connect, which allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favourite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition in order to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. The vehicle also has access to AM, FM as well as DAB radio stations. Along with this, a driver or passengers can also choose to connect with the Bluetooth audio function. Down below is some toggle buttons for the start-stop as well as the parking sensors. Once reverse gear has been selected, those rear parking sensors as well as the front ones will also display. The vehicle comes with ample climate controls with a front heated windscreen, perfect for those colder months, as well as some climatic air conditioning for those warmer months as well. There are 2 USB-C outlets as well as a 12-volt outlet, and the twin passenger bench also has some additional storage underneath. So ladies and gentlemen, that will fully conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline long wheelbase. If you have any further questions, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.